too far and going too fast to so even if you were have to have an engine failure, you'd still take off at that point.
Look outside, use your feet, so these pedals, and try to keep this portion right in the middle. Cross-check, stable.
Positive limit.
Do you see the purple cross right there? Yep, I'm gonna try to put this square in that cross.